A lot of the hijabi, niqabi sisters come to me and say, can I have my profile picture? Excuse me? You're black and black. I said, yes, I'm fully in niqab, nothing shows, I wear gloves. Okay, bring a sack of potatoes as a profile picture. Why do you want to come? No, I want to show my butterfly abaya. But nothing is showing, Sheikh. Nothing is showing. Everything is black. This is how it starts. 2 months later, the eyes a little bit gap. You can see the eyes. 5 months later, eyelashes, fake, but mashallah, like an alligator from the niqab. Little by little by little, the abaya is getting, the butterfly becomes a worm. Mashallah, it's very tight and you can see the body structure and figure. Now sister's gonna hate me. Who cares? Soon.